We are expanding our transport network, including the successful implementation and planned expansion of our bus rapid transit system. We are addressing Karachi's vital needs for water, pushing for the timely completion of crucial projects like K4 water supply scheme. We are focusing on sustainable urban development to make our cities smarter, cleaner, and more livable for our citizens. And more importantly, we have made huge investments in the health sector of the province. However, all these projects and initiatives require a generation of highly trained, ethical, and forward-looking managers. This is where the public and private sector must converge. My government's vision is to transform Sindh into a knowledge-based, skill-driven economy. We are committed to fostering a climate where merit and professional competence are the only standards for success. We are already working through our specialized bodies such as the Sindh Technical Educational and Vocational Training Authority and the various government training institutes to uplift the standard of vocational and technical training, but the corporate and public sectors are distinct, and the specialized high-level training provided by an apex body like MAP is essential to bridge the skill gap at the executive level. Today, at this landmark 25th convention, I am happy to say that the government of Sindh will actively support MAP's mission to drive management excellence across the province. I am pleased to note that tomorrow MAP is organizing a training workshop for senior officers of the Sindh government. Your expertise in real-world management is precisely what our government officers need. The importance of events like this convention cannot be overstated. These are vital forums for networking, idea generation, and policy discussion.